Hey, what's up? So if you have a Samsung phone, this video is for you because I'm going to show you guys some tools and websites that you can use for your Samsung phone. And trust me, if you have a Samsung phone, this video is going to be useful. So let's start with star of the show. This is a program called Odin, and using this program, you can install any Samsung phone's software. Okay, so some of you guys may be thinking, why do I need to use this? Actually, you can use this program to fix almost any type of issue that you get on your Samsung phone. As long as you don't physically damage your Samsung phone, you can fix any kind of issues. So let's say, for example, you have a boot loop issue on your Samsung phone, or maybe some other kind of issue that you're facing. So simply using this tool, you can reinstall your Samsung phone's software or firmware and fix the issue. So this is a must-have tool if you have a Samsung phone. And you know what? This tool is actually made by Samsung. Now, you may be thinking, how do I get it? Actually, it's a little bit tricky. Okay, you don't actually need to download Odin separately, because if you download a Samsung phone's software, it actually comes with it. So you just need to find a way to download your Samsung phone's software or firmware. That's all you need. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys some of the most popular websites where you can download any Samsung phone's software, firmwares, or OS, whatever you call it. So normally it is called Samsung phone firmware. So let me show you the websites. Okay, so first and the most popular website to download Samsung phone's firmware or software is called sammobile.com. So if you visit this site, if you go to the firmware section, here you can enter the model number of your Samsung phone, and then you can download the software for your Samsung phone. Okay, you can enter the model number of your Samsung phone. You can go to the about section of your Samsung phone's settings. From there you can find the model number, and make sure to choose the exact model number what you have on your Samsung phone. So this is just a demo. So let's say I have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which has the model number of SMS908W. Okay, if you see this on your Samsung phone's about section, then you need to select this. Okay, this is just an example, and you can also select the country where you bought the phone, Samsung phone. Okay, or you can leave it empty or just click for check for updates. It will show you the selected countries firmware download link. But if you leave the country alone, okay, let's say for example, and if I check for update, it will show you all the softwares available for all the countries. Okay, and you can choose from here and you can start downloading. Just click on that and there is a join to download and fast download. So this website is like most popular, but if you want to download Samsung softwares for free, it will be slow and you need to sign up. Okay, now let me show you some other websites which I think are better than this website. Next, go to the odinroam.com, and here you can do the same thing. Search for the Samsung phone's model number that you have. I'm gonna search for S22, and in here I can see the model number of my Samsung phones and I can select the download. Okay, so let's say this is the one Samsung phone that I have, so I'm gonna click on download, which will load a new page. From here I can click on download and it will download the firmware. Okay, and another website that you can use to download any Samsung phone's software or firmware is samfw.com. Okay, so I will put a link in the description. You can also go here, do the same thing, just search for the model number, and after that you will see list of softwares available for your Samsung phone, and you can also go by the country. And there is a tool called Samsung Firmware Downloader at XDA, and using this you can actually download any Samsung phone's software. So if you want to use this, you can also use this, but you can also simply go to the website and download if you find the Samsung firmware downloader complicated to use. Okay, so that's it. I know this is not a tutorial. I didn't show you guys how to use Odin and all that. This video was just for information. If you have a Samsung phone and you don't know about these things, then I thought it will be useful if you get to know about these things. So that's it. And for the tutorials, you'll find hundreds of thousands of tutorials on YouTube. Yeah, there are many tutorials. How to use Odin for Samsung, how to reinstall Samsung firmware, stock ROM, or software, whatever you call it. I think that's it. I'm gonna put link in the description for all the websites that I mentioned here. You can go there and visit and download the software for your Samsung phone, or just bookmark them, so in future if you get any problem with your Samsung phone, you can just reinstall the Samsung phone's software or firmware. So I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.